How to turn off automatic app archiving on Google Play Store. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change or turn off the automatic app archiving on Google Play Store. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch the Google Play Store on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap the profile icon at top right corner of the screen. A menu appears where you have to select the settings option and access the settings section. Once you're on the settings page, you will see the general. Simply select the arrow or the backward or facing arrow. You need to select that and scroll down. Simply locate the option for automatically archive apps. Apps you really use will be archived when your storage runs low. In order to disable this, simply toggle the button off and then you will successfully turn off automatic app archiving on Google Play Store. Now, even if your storage runs low, the apps that you rarely use won't be archived on Google Play Store. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.